Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming device readiness, Wi-Fi, updated Google app, and signed in Google account. Once done, enable location and microphone so Assistant can respond and personalize. Now open the Google app, tap More, go to Settings, and select Google Assistant. Follow the on-screen prompt to begin setup. Choose your language and preferred voice. This gets your assistant active quickly and ensures required permissions are granted, so subsequent steps like voice training and device linking work without interruption. Once basic setup is done, configure voice match so Assistant recognizes you and delivers personal info safely. Make sure to speak clearly during training. This improves accuracy. Next, link smart home devices via home controls, add each device and authorize the vendor account. Then build routines. Pick triggers like time or voice phrase, add actions such as lights, news, or reminders, and set a schedule. Test each device control and routine immediately to catch permissions or naming conflicts before you rely on them. Finish by customizing defaults. Select your preferred music service, navigation app, and calendar so commands go where you expect. Check privacy settings, review activity controls, delete past recordings if desired, and confirm app permissions. Once finished, integrate shortcut phrases and test multi-device responses. If something goes wrong, first reboot the device, then retrain voice match. If problems persist, reset assistant preferences in settings and relink accounts. This single troubleshooting tip solves most setup failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.